Hello everyone, welcome back to MJ's Heavenly. Hope you all are having a fantastic time today. Well, today we'll be making ackee, but we'll be using diced salmon. So it's ackee, not with saltfish, but with salmon. Our only seasoning that we're going to use today is salt and black pepper. Season our salmon nicely. So I'm going to mix my salmon together so that the seasoning can blend. So I'm going to put some olive oil in the air fryer so that the salmon won't stick. And now I'm going to put the salmon in. And I will allow this to fry until it is crispy. So I'll give this 17 minutes at 360 degrees. Now this is our finished fried salmon. See, it's all crispy and nice. Now it's time to start frying our seasoning and get our ackee dish together. I'm going to pour my seasoning in now. So here we have some onion, some scallion, some hot pepper, some green pepper. And I'm going to have this sauteed. Now I'm going to put my salmon in and my sauteed seasoning. And now we're going to add our ackee. I'm going to put some black pepper. And I'm going to put some more salt. Not much. Have this simmer for on a low flame for another 2 minutes. There you have it. This is our finished dish. Served with plantain and green bananas. Thank you so much for your support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you then.